Shreem Brzee is a mantra that is believed to attract abundance and prosperity. It is said to be very powerful and can bring positive changes to one's financial situation when recited regularly with faith and belief. The mantra is believed to work by vibrating at a frequency that is in alignment with the vibration of abundance, thereby attracting abundance and prosperity into one's life. It is commonly used in Hinduism and is associated with the goddess Lakshmi, who is the deity of prosperity and abundance. Some people also believe that the mantra has the power to attract positive energy and help manifest desires and goals. Welcome to the Law of Attraction World channel, the channel you need if you want to manifest all your desires into reality. What is Shreem Brzee? The Shreem Brzee mantra is a powerful tool in Hinduism and Buddhism for attracting abundance and prosperity. The mantra, which consists of the syllables Shreem Brzee, is believed to invoke the energy of the goddess Lakshmi, the Hindu deity associated with abundance and good fortune. The mantra is also said to bring blessings and abundance to those who recite it regularly with sincere intention and devotion. To use the Shreem Brzee mantra for manifestation, it is recommended to set a specific intention, such as attracting financial abundance, before reciting the mantra. It is also suggested to recite the mantra daily, either out loud or silently to oneself, for at least 108 times. Some practitioners also recommend using mala beads to keep track of the number of repetitions. In addition to the daily recitation of the mantra, it is also said to be helpful to engage in practices that cultivate abundance mindset, such as expressing gratitude, giving back to others, and setting goals that align with one's values. Some practitioners also recommend incorporating visual techniques, such as visualizing oneself already in possession of one's desired abundance, as a way to further enhance the manifestation process. It is important to note that the effectiveness of Shreem Brzee mantra or any manifestation tool ultimately depends on the individual practitioner's belief and commitment to the process. As with any spiritual practice, it is essential to approach the Shreem Brzee mantra with an open mind and a sincere heart. The number 108 is considered a sacred number in many cultures and is used in various spiritual practices. In Hinduism, 108 is said to be a number that represents the cosmos and is often used in rituals and prayer. Some people believe that chanting the Shreem Brzee mantra 108 times or writing it down 108 times can have a powerful effect on attracting abundance and prosperity. Others prefer to listen to the mantra being chanted, as they find it to be more meditative and calming practice. Ultimately, the best way to use the Shreem Brzee mantra is a personal decision that depends on the individual's beliefs and preferences. As far as the best time to use the Shreem Brzee mantra, it is generally recommended to recite it at least once a day, either in the morning or at night before bed. Some people also choose to recite the mantra multiple times a day, or to incorporate it into their daily meditation or yoga practice. Ultimately, the most effective time to use the Shreem Brzee mantra will also depend on your schedule and preferences. It is important to find a time and practice that works for you and that you can consistently commit to. As far as religion is concerned, the Shreem Brzee mantra is a Hindu mantra and is associated with the Hindu goddess Lakshmi. However, people of any faith or belief system can choose to use the mantra if they find it helpful. It is important to note, however, that the Shreem Brzee mantra is not a substitute for religious practice or personal spiritual development, and it should not be used as such. Thank you for listening.